Alright guys, today we're going to be putting what you've seen in some other YouTubers' videos, Reflectix. You can buy it at Lowe's, Home Depot. This just happens to be 16 inches by 25 foot. Simple to install. All you need is a cutting surface. The measurements of your hive, this is the 11 1/4 by 19 7/8 box. It's a 6-frame hive. So basically all you need is a good old trusty pair of scissors, a marker, and a straight edge. So we know it's 19 7/8. Of course, it'd be a lot easier if you had an extra set of hands, but some of us do beekeeping by ourselves. And for this, I'm doing it out in the field. I just go ahead and mark it 20, give a little overhang. I use a T-square. So I'm going to I can't talk today, so I can get some semblance of straightness. Bees are working the aster because boy are the hives stinking. A lot of people believe it's the goldenrod, but we've had goldenrod blooming for almost 2 months. Aster started 6 days ago, and we just started smelling the stinky feet smell in the hives about 3 days ago. There is a white aster and a purple aster. Now, like I said, it's 16 inches or 6-frame hive, so it's 11 1/4. So we're going to have a little bit of waste, but you know where that comes into play? That'll come into play when you get to your 2-frame mating nukes, because I do take a couple of 2-frame mating nukes through winter. So I'll just throw the extra on those, because mostly your insulation value you need above. Yes, it is nice to have 2, 3, 4 inches of side insulation. These polystyrenes you see behind me are great for winter, because 3/4 pine board only gives you about a 0.9293 insulating value, R value, where those polystyrenes, I don't know exactly what their insulation value is, but it's probably somewhere close to a 10, which mimics what you have in hives that are in the trees. Now, as you can see, this one has the insulation in the lid, and I never went around and put the Reflectix underneath it to keep them from doing this. They've chewed on it, they put propolis all over it. So what I'm going to actually do is just shake these bees out front, see if we can piss them off real good. Then I'm going to take and put this and use their propolis as a glue to hold it in place. Then just take the top off this hive. Just to show some of you. These are active and packed hives. Get the camera back to where it's supposed to be. No, need to be a little bit more that way so you can see the finished product. I'll drop the camera down a little bit. All you're basically doing is covering the hive. They will propolize this, not your lid. Turn my lid around, get my writing the right way. And we're done. Simple, easy. 'Easy. It'll give it a little bit more insulating factor, and it, like I said, it's 16 inches by 6 inches. So as you see, it'll stop the insulation from being eaten up by the bees. Because once you get this, you'll just pull this off and then you just slowly peel the Reflectix back. If you do it slowly, you don't upset the bees, you don't get a bunch of pissed off bees at you. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the videos, share them, like them. Have a good day.